The human body is a complex, self-defending system, not merely a machine. Its effective defense relies on essential nutrient inputs, which are crucial for the gut lining, immune cells, and hormones. A strong defense system needs to be properly nourished with these necessary inputs. The gut lining acts as the body's primary firewall defense, with about 70% of immune cells residing there. This vital firewall is built using key amino acids and omega-3 fats, along with vitamins A, C, and zinc for cell repair. A weak gut lining can lead to leaks and immune system chaos. Stomach acid, primarily hydrochloric acid, serves as the first antimicrobial defense. Its production requires zinc, chloride, B vitamins, and amino acids. Low acid levels can promote bacterial and fungal overgrowth, while adequate acid sterilizes pathogens and helps release nutrients. Every immune cell originates from a dedicated stem cell. The renewal of these stem cells requires essential amino acids and omega-3s. Key vitamins such as A, D, C, and folate are vital for cell differentiation. Nutrient scarcity leads to poor immune cell manufacturing, whereas balanced nutrients enable rapid regeneration and adaptive memory. Hormones are crucial for guiding all essential defense and repair commands. They are constructed from cholesterol, amino acids, and trace nutrients. A balanced intake of omega fatty acids controls inflammation and sensitivity. Chronic nutrient imbalance can lead to chaotic signaling and confusion within the body's systems. The unified defense code of the body relies on several key components. The gut lining forms the defensive wall, stomach acid acts as the antimicrobial gate, stem cells are the immune cell soldiers, and hormones manage the command and control system. All these parts depend on essential nutrients for optimal defense.